Changing the outline weight of a shape in PowerPoint is a quick way to make your elements stand out or blend in. So I have over a cylindrical shape. For this, you need to click on the shape whose outline you want to change and then open the shape format on the top ribbon. So in the shapes group style, you need to click on the shapes outline and then hover your mouse over weight and select the 3pt. You can change the color to this one. So if the preset weights in the menu are not exactly what you need, you can set a custom thickness. For this, you need to click on the shapes outline and go to the shape format. Click on the shape outline, go to the weight and click on the more lines. On the right side, you need to click on the solid line. First, you need to select the color of the border, for example this time red, and here you can increase or decrease the transparency as per your need. You can increase the width further to 6pt, 7pt, and go to the compound style and select the double line border thickness and go to the dash. You can either select the dash type, whatever your requirement is. So I'll be selecting the solid one, which is much more attractive. So this way you can easily change border and line thickness fast in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.